This is an infrared transmitter and receiver that fits any Kodak Ektapro 35mm slide projector. The receiver simply plugs in to the back of the projector and takes its power from the projector. The infrared remote control transmitter operates on 3 AA batteries. All the other numbered buttons also operate and transmit, but there is no particular function on this model of projector, so most of the time they simply remained covered over, so that you have the main controls for forward, backwards, focus and standby. The transmitter and the receiver are both numbered 1, just to keep them together as a matched pair. The stickers just peel off.